Welcome to the deep ocean, a place where the sun never shines, where pressures are crushing, and where some of the most mind-blowing creatures on Earth have adapted to survive. Here, in the cold, dark depths, life takes on forms stranger than fiction. Today, we're diving deep into the unknown, revealing 10 mind-blowing facts about the ocean's depths and the species that call it home. Deep within the ocean's embrace lives a creature that seemingly defies the inexorable march of aging, the immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii. This tiny, translucent creature possesses an extraordinary ability to revert to its juvenile polyp stage after reaching sexual maturity. While not truly immortal, its ability to theoretically cheat death has captivated scientists, offering tantalizing clues about the nature of aging and cellular regeneration. Our planet is a tapestry of extremes, but perhaps nowhere is more extreme than the deepest point on Earth, known as Challenger Deep. Located within the Mariana Trench, Challenger Deep plunges to a staggering depth of nearly 7 miles. The pressure at this depth is unimaginable, over 8 tons per square inch. Yet, even in this seemingly desolate abyss, life endures. In 2012, filmmaker and explorer James Cameron made history by becoming the first person to complete a solo descent to Challenger Deep, astonishing the world with his findings. Our journey through the deep ocean takes us now to a creature so bizarre, it seems to have sprung straight from the pages of a science fiction novel, the Barreleye Fish, Macropinna microstoma. Imagine a fish with a head like a transparent dome, its eyes gazing perpetual upwards through its translucent skull. This adaptation allows the Barreleye to scan the waters above for prey silhouetted against the faintest glimmer of light. Its eyes can rotate within their fluid-filled chamber, making the Barreleye a formidable predator in the deep sea environment. As we descend deeper into the abyssal depths, we encounter a predator as fearsome as its name suggests, the deep-sea dragonfish. Armed with razor-sharp teeth, a gaping maw, and a bioluminescent lure, the dragonfish is perfectly designed for hunting in the abyss. Its long, slender body allows it to blend seamlessly into the shadows, making it virtually invisible to unsuspecting prey. The dragonfish's most remarkable adaptation is its ability to produce red light, invisible to most deep-sea creatures. This gives the dragonfish a distinct advantage, allowing it to stalk its prey without giving away its position. The deep ocean plays a vital role in regulating Earth's climate, acting as a massive carbon sink that absorbs a significant portion of the carbon dioxide we release into the atmosphere. This process is crucial for maintaining the delicate balance of our planet's climate system. The ocean absorbs atmospheric carbon dioxide through a process known as diffusion. This means that carbon dioxide molecules move from areas of higher concentration in the atmosphere to areas of lower concentration in the ocean. This absorbed carbon dioxide is then transported to the deep ocean through thermohaline circulation, which is often referred to as the ocean's conveyor belt. This global conveyor belt is driven by differences in temperature and salinity, creating a continuous movement of water that helps distribute heat and nutrients around the globe. As warm surface waters laden with carbon dioxide cool in polar regions, they become denser and begin to sink. They sink to the ocean depths, carrying the absorbed carbon with them. This process is essential for the long-term storage of carbon. This sequestered carbon can remain locked away in the deep ocean for centuries, effectively acting as a long-term storage solution. By removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, the deep ocean helps to reduce the greenhouse effect, thereby slowing the rate of global warming. This natural process is a critical component of Earth's climate control system, highlighting the importance of protecting our oceans. World. The deep ocean remains one of the last great frontiers on Earth, filled with mysteries and mind-blowing creatures that challenge our understanding of life itself. From the bioluminescent inhabitants of the Midnight Zone to the colossal squid lurking in the abyss, these creatures remind us of the incredible diversity and resilience of life on our planet. As we continue to explore the deep, we can only imagine what other wonders await discovery. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the unknown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible facts that will leave you in awe of the world around us.